Hey everyone, it's Emily from 3 Pugs and a Poodle with Scout here, who has an itch. And we're going to open her Wigglebutt box for the month of October 2017. So Wigglebutt's a monthly subscription box for your pet. So the first thing we have is the card, which tells us the theme is Boo, Halloween, very fitting. And on the back it tells us what's in the box. We're going to go ahead and pull off the brown paper that's covering everything up. And this box was like really heavy, and now I'm seeing why it was. Because we're going to pull out this first thing. This is by Nummy Tum Tums. It is organic pumpkin. It's a pet food supplement for dogs and cats. Let's see. This is $2.99. Did you know that pumpkin is a natural digestive for your dog? It's true, just a little bit will help stop the tummy rumbles, firm up some loose stools, and keep them regular. Most dogs just think it's delicious. Now, Scout thinks everything is a treat when we do these boxes. So that's why this box was so heavy, because of this can of pumpkin. Okay, the next thing we have is a Trickster Spooky Fun for your pet. Let's see, Pumpkin Mummy is $9.99. It's time for Halloween. This adorable fuzzy pumpkin mummy will distract your pup from the constant ringing of the doorbell. Just kidding, but it might help a little. He's cute. He's got a squeaky, just one squeaky, I think, right there. So that's that toy. Okay, next we have by Exclusively Dog. These are jerkies. Pizza flavored chewy dog treats. These are made in the U.S. with no added sugars, wheat, corn, or soy, and are soy free. And she really wants it. So we're going to open this up. Scout, get up here. And it comes like in a big block, but then it has perforations so that you can break it, I think. Yeah, there you go. It does smell like pizza. So like the oregano or whatever they use in it. Let's see. Let us see. Chicken, flour, glycerin, oregano. Yep, you can smell it. So that was a treat that we got. Okay, next up we have, this is an absorbent car coaster. Standard size, fits most car cup holders. Oh! So it says love. And then if you see this small illustration here, you put it in the bottom so it will absorb a little bit of spilling from your, or the, oh, what is that, condensation that gathers up on your... So this is the gift for... No, this isn't a treat. For the human. And each Wiggle box always includes something... Excuse you! Includes something for the human. Like I always say, keeping it real here on 3 Pugs and a Poodle. And that's what she does. Okay, there's the coaster. Next we have our roll of waste pickup bags, which we usually get. Then we have this little ball with the ears. That's pretty cute. Now the next thing we have, you're literally in the box. Okay. This is a treat, yes. This is by Etta Says. This is a yum stick. Savory treat for dogs. It looks like a jerky stick. So if Scout will get back up here, we'll let her have it. Maybe. I need the scissors. Up, up. Sit. Behave. Maybe. There we go. Okay, let's see. No. I gotta get it more. What is it? Scout, I mean. You're gonna get cut. Sit. Stay there and wait. She does have manners, although you wouldn't know it by watching this video. Back up. Sit. Sit. Wait. So, it smells like human jerky, actually. It smells pretty good. Leave it. Leave it. See, she has manners. Leave it. You're not getting it now. Sit. Leave it. Okay. There you go. Alright. Okay. And then the last thing is the bandana, which we get in each box. And this one is adorable. It's a Halloween themed one. It has bats and monster madness. Scary. Eek! Creepy. So go ahead and put that on her. While she's eating her jerky. Well, maybe not, because she's too worried about her jerky treat. So there's the bandana. And our ball. And our other toy was the mummy. Then we got our, the glare, sorry, our little coaster. And some pumpkin for their food. The little pizza jerky treats. Our waste bags. And, let's see, that little stone coaster was $9. The pumpkin was $2.99. The yum stick, which was that thing she ate in about 10 seconds just then, was $2.95. The jerky chews were $6.99. The little tennis ball with the ears was $2.99. And then the little mummy is $10. So good value here in this month's box. This was October 2017. Check out my other videos if you want to see about Pet Treater as well as BarkBox and the Pup Box. And I'll leave any other information in the down below in the description. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next month. Happy Halloween!